Hey guys, so I made it all the way up. Bit of a walk, but man, the view is worth it. That's for sure. So let's take a look at this side first, and then we're gonna have a look at the other side where Rangitoto. So this is the city. You can see there. Let me start with this side. You can see the harbour bridge, and you got Auckland City and the port, Auckland ports there. Sky Tower. Over there, that mount is Mount Aden, and as I mentioned, this is the Auckland City, Auckland CBD, and Harbour Bridge will connect you to the North Shore, and the other side is also got more stunning and amazing views. Over there, you got Tamaki Drive, and over there will be Mission Bay. This is where we were yesterday at the memorial, sorry, I forgot the name, the Joseph Savage Memorial. So yeah, stunning, stunning, stunning views. So let's go take a look at the other side. So I hope you guys enjoying my videos, and you are subscribed, liking right now, and sharing after you finish watching the whole video. Yeah, so let us see what else we can do today. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. So anyway, you don't want to see me, you want to see the views, right? There. Look at that. This is Rangitoto Island, hiding behind the bushes there, the trees. There, look at the big cannon. We used to be able to go down there, but it looks like it's locked now. Yep, so this is Rangitoto. The eastern, sorry, this North Shore. Yep, apologies. No, this is the eastern suburbs. What am I saying? North Shore's on the other side. North Shore's there. So that's Kohimarama, Mission Bay. So yeah, stunning, stunning, stunning views, guys. Hope you enjoying. Thank you so much for watching, and let me go down to Devonport to grab a coffee, some breakfast, and take some more videos. Hi guys, so welcome to Devonport. I'm now in the Devonport Village, Victoria Road, not Victoria Street. So let's take a look. So this is the Mount Victoria that we just filmed, and down here is the village. Lots of cafes, arcades. Interesting place. I recommend you come here if you are visiting Auckland. So there's, one of the nice cafes in New Zealand is called Sierra Cafe. That one you will find them. It's a chain, and you got Columbus as well. You can see here the shops, art and craft. Lots and lots and lots of cafes and restaurants. And look at that, this is the old post office, and it's cafe or a restaurant now. So French Cafe, that's what the name is. So French Cafe. Look, all beautiful old buildings. You even got a historical subway. So yeah, and being in Auckland, you're not very far away from the beach, as you can see. Just walk down there, and that's where you can catch the ferry to many islands and to the city as well. Look at all the beautiful ice cream.
Yeah, I know, in years and then time.
Oops, sorry.
Which is why I was saying to you, I don't feel disadvantaged.
Now check the houses.
Oh, quite close. Oh, so we get to smell all the lovely stuff and try not to break the bank as well.
Beautiful place, guys. This is the library, if I remember correctly. Yes, I am right. So look at that beautiful library, look at the views. Just walk down to the beach and take a look. Since it's a beautiful day, we are in May. It gets a bit chilly sometimes, but not too bad. I'm wearing a t-shirt, as you can see. Here, you see lots of beautiful shop. Look at that bookshop. It looks like they sell second-hand books as well. Wow. We got ice cream. Yeah, and this is the arcade. Should we take a look at the arcade? Yeah, might as well. Okay, there's beautiful cafe in the arcade. Wow. Oh, check out this beautiful brick. Anyway, so that's end of the arcade. Let's have a look on the other side. Continue to the beach. Off to the beach we go. Hope you guys liking the videos. Please do make that investment and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff to bring you, so let me flick the camera because I'm going to cross the road, so I don't want to get run over. So remember, right and left. So here we're right hand drive, so make sure you look the correct direction. Is that the most beautiful and situated library in the world or what? Alright guys, and this is the Devonport beach. Another suburb, another beach basically. People out on the on the water there, jet ski, fishing, sailing, kids playing. Lots of different nationalities. Asian, Indians, Europeans, Maori, Islanders, Middle Easterns, the lot. So multicultural. Excuse me. And there you go, guys. Look, how beautiful is this? Stunning views. You can see the city there, as I showed you earlier. So you guys, beautiful, beautiful city. I Starting to miss living here now. That's why I don't like to come back. Hard to leave, but difficult to come. Anyway, I love being in Singapore, and this is where I've been for the last 21 years. But it's nice to have a bit of a change, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I encourage you, pack your bags and come to Auckland. Even if you don't have time to see anything else in New Zealand, do Auckland. I do recommend it. Lots of nice food, a lot of nice food. There's so many different nationalities here, and a lot of them sort of open their own restaurants, and wow, man, I've had some of the best food, and I will have some of the best food. So the journey continues. I just want to show you one more thing, if you can bear with me, please. The ferry terminal from Devonport, because that is also quite nice. So let's take a look. So guys, you can come here and take the ferry to many islands. From the city, you can go to Waiheke as well. That's a beautiful island to visit. Lots of wineries and things to do there. And from here, you can also park your car, or even go to the city, park your car, or if you're staying in a hotel, you can just take the ferry and come here. You don't have to drive here. That's the beauty of it. And you'll end up enjoying a really nice day. Guarantee or your money back. Let's all look at all the cafes and listen to the waves. I was listening to the radio this morning, and they said that if you listen to hot water and cold water being poured, they actually sound different. And each wave has a different sound, and that's got to do with the bubbles that are in the wave, and each bubble having a different size, and that's why every wave will sound different. So do check that out. It's a study that was done. Yeah, and see how you go. So let's take a look at the Devonport Wharf. There you go. Okay. And there's a beautiful view again. No, it's a DJI.
Oh,
Yeah, so you can actually flick it. See, I'll show you. Triple, and then you can see yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. And you got the mic here. Yeah, you can control it with the mic as well. Start recording and on and off. Yeah. All right, man. Have a nice day. Take care. Yeah, cool, man. And this is, beautiful cafes here. It's my new friend. What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob, nice to meet you, Jacob. You'll be in YouTube. Do you mind?
What am I?
No, do you mind if I put it on YouTube?
Yep.
Is that okay? All right. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, cool. Me neither. That's why I'm on YouTube. Is it alright to put it on YouTube? Yeah?
I mean, is he okay?
He's okay, yeah. Okay, cool. All right. Okay. Cool. All right. Thanks, guys. So, yeah, so this is Devonport. See you, Jacob. Take care, man. Yeah, so beautiful place. So this is the terminal, guys. So yeah, and now I need a coffee. It is 9 o'clock Singapore, so +4, so 1 p.m. I haven't had breakfast or any coffee, so I must. So I gotta go find me somewhere to eat. Sorry about the video being so long, but at least I can show you as much as I can. Look at this. Hello, little birdie. If you have fries, she will love you. They love eating fries when you have your fish and chips. So yeah, as I was saying, sorry about the video being so long, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do make sure you subscribe, like, and share, guys. Thank you so much for all your support.
She's thinking hard.